today. My Coolmoon 120 millimeter RGB cooling fan kit came in today. Yes, now I can go ahead and connect my 200 millimeter cool fan RGB fan up with the rest of the cool fan 120 millimeter RGB kit. Okay, this is a three pack kit. Now starting off the bat, the presentation is nice. Even though I don't get a picture of the RGB fans, but this is nice. If you go ahead and have this sitting on the shelf next to Cooler Master, Thermotape, Corsair, any deep cool, whatever, up here, this here is it. The presentation is nice. I like the little thing. You don't have to be too much. Coolmoon, cool life, meet the future. Yes, and that's a good standing here. Why are we going to these Chinese RGB fans? Because they are reasonable at price. It comes in a kit. Some of the kits you could go ahead and connect it to your RGB fin headers on the pin headers on the board, and you can go ahead and control it like that, just by automatically auto seeking everything in like that. But this here comes with the controller and the 3 fans on the inside. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Think of your RGB controller here. It has a Molex pin connector there, so yes, it does connect Molex. I am on a non-modular power supply, 600 watts, and it did came with one Molex connector, so I'm pretty good with that. And if it came with the SATA connector, I'm pretty good with that as well too, because my power supply is well equipped. Here you can go ahead and connect up to 10 fans. Yes, 10 fans. Now what it does remind me of the another version of the up here controller. As you see it, you can go ahead at the bottom, you can connect 1 through 5. You got your power on the side. You can go ahead and connect fans 6 through 10. If you want to go ahead and add you some RGB strips, you can add 2 sets of RGB strips to it. This set is well equipped for everything. You cannot go wrong with it. And the presentation is nice. It has everything you need to know. Brand Coolmoon, size are 120 meter fans. You get 3 in the box. Color is rainbow RGB. Speed is 0 to 1200 RPM at 10%. Airflow is at 38.5 CFMs. These are hydraulic bearing fans. Hydraulic bearing fans means it has the oil inside, which will accumulate, does so over the years. You need to go ahead and get you an air can and keep them clean by blowing all the dust off of them, keep them going cool, keep them long lasting, etc. It does come with a D-type 4-pin, which is a Molex connector. Voltage is DC 12 volt by 5 volt. Power rated is 4.2 watts. Lifetime is 3,000 hours. 30,000 hours, and sound levels at 25 dBA. Not bad, nice. All right, let's go ahead and into the box. All right. So like I said, you get 3 fans. You get your okay. Now you get your nice 3 door ring fans. Yes. Oh, that's a good thing. It comes with the sound damper patent on them already, so you don't have to connect them up. Yes. Nice, sturdy, strong, durable plastic. That's one thing you want to look for into your product, is make sure that it's durable, non-breakable. So, nice. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. nine fins. Not bad. Now a lot of people was buying these thought that this pair connects up to the RGB header on the motherboard. No, this is a 6-pin header that connects into the remote. I'll be getting into the remote a little bit, but just like I said, you get 3 fans in a pack. It's not bad. Not bad. 3 fans in a pack. You cannot go wrong with it. As you see, nice 3 fans in a pack. Now, this is your remote. Now, my thing is with the controller hub, it do lights up. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that as well. Here is the Molex power connector. You take this pin right here and you just plug it in. Alrighty. Here, that's your reset. You connect your reset button. That's so you can go ahead and use your reset power button. Your reset button to go ahead on and cycle through the RGB mode. You got fans 1 through 5, 6 through 10. So you do connect 6. You do connect 10 fans up to the header. And here you got your LED strips 1 and 2. You do connect those. And I mean, I'm too pretty much cool with the tape there, but a lot of people like the magnet, so y'all could like decently glue some magnetic pins to the controller, so you could go ahead on and just let it stick to the metal of the case itself. Your basic remote control. As always, basic. You got your mode button up and down, your speed for the fans up and down. You can turn them on, off. Here your color mode. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 color mode. And here's your brightness up, down. As always, you pull the plastic tab out and make sure you see that little red dot. That means it's working. Alrighty. Pack comes with 3 packs of case screws. That's 12 case screws. You get the remote, you get the controller, you get 3 fans, and not all the top data off. This is going to be the interesting part here that y'all going to love the most, is that it will be paired up with this here 200mm fan controller. Yes, got the whopping. Go ahead and slide that. Now you got, that's what's going in my Cuboid. 3 120mm plus the 200. The 200mm is going to be sitting up front. And I got the 120s, 2 to the top, 1 in the back. Easy. Let me go ahead and set up the presentation so you can go ahead and see the RGB mode. And let's get right into it. Alright, as y'all see, all the fans are hooked up. And they look nice. They look good. That's red, green, blue. I'm telling you, this is not bad. And the 120s are dual ring, so it's not bad. It is looking nice and looking good. I got my yellow, orange, light orange, dark orange. Okay, they said they're supposed to be red, but it's purple, green, and favorite color is white. So you can't really go wrong with that there at all. The fans look nice. As you see on the side, the controller lights up. And if I want it auto mode, as you see, that what makes this look good is that the controller itself lights up. It's in auto mode. You can't go wrong with that. Brightness, the speed, and then you got the certain modes. One thing about this is nice. I like it. I love it. I will recommend this to all consumers that if your motherboards do not come with an RGB pin header on the motherboard, if you just have a regular AM3 motherboard or AM2 motherboard or FM2, whatever type motherboard you have, if it do not have an RGB pin header on the board, you can go ahead and buy this kit. This whole entire kit wrapped me about $50. You get the fans, 3 fans for $40 something. I got brought all this off eBay because the stores was charging $100 just for the 200mm fan, and for 3 fans they was pushing about $89.99 for 3 fans. So with Coolmoon, it's not bad. I do like how the remote itself on the side lights up. That is nice. Cannot go wrong with that. Now, the airflow. I'm gonna turn one fan around. Good airflow in the back. Can't go wrong with it. Yep, as you see, good airflow. It's blowing. Yeah, it's blowing. So, yeah, you can't go wrong with that. I do like that daisy chain effect. That is nice. And they are nice and bright. If that's too dim, you could go ahead and dim it like I'm doing now. Turn the airflow down. Oh, okay. I turned them off. Turn them way down to 0. That is nice. Yeah, that's at its lowest right there, so. See, in my Cuboid build, I can go ahead and have the fans like this because I got me a heavy, powerful CPU cooler. So, if I just want the RGB fan just to go smooth like this, I could do that. If I don't want them on, you can always turn them off. And that's one thing I like about it. In the daytime, you can also turn them off if you don't want them to light up. Or if you're in a nice room where there's not too much light in there, then you can go ahead and power them on. That is nice. Now go ahead and brighten them back up. Fan speeds up. And that's one thing I like about it. They're not too loud. They're nice and quiet. So you can't go wrong with that. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all just chill out with them. I'm gonna go ahead and put the if y'all if y'all interested in purchasing them, I'm gonna go ahead and put the description, the link in the description below. So go ahead and purchase them. You can't go wrong with them. Now, the 120mm RGB kit, I had to order them overseas. So when you get your product in overseas, make sure you go ahead and take proper measures with wiping them down first before you go ahead and open them up. The 120mm fan I got that from New Jersey, so that fan got here quick, and I was looking for my fans to get here in March, the 120mm, but they got here early. But other than that, I can't complain. I will be putting all the information in my description below, so you can go ahead and purchase them if you are interested into. I will recommend these to any customers that the motherboard do not have any RGB headers. Other than that, thank y'all for watching and subscribe to my channel. Peace.